Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing some DIY pumpkin. I had a little rant on last week's video about how I was at bargain hunt the other day and they had like these big tiny $12 pumpkins, and I was like, what kind of bargain is that? Like, excuse me. Anyway, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own DIY pumpkins for way less than $12. So I'm going to be recreating 3 of these pumpkins that I saw at Bargain Hunt. I have 2 white pumpkins and 1 black pumpkin. So the first pumpkin I'm going to be doing is basically the easiest one that you can do. It is going to be the one, oh my god, why is there so much stuff going on around me? I'm just going to be taking, I think I'm going to do blue sparkles. Now I do have the thicker kind I got at Michael's, and then I also have the thinner kind of sparkles I also got at Michael's. I think I'm gonna do these for the sake of this video. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, it's kind of windy, so I'm really nervous to do this. I do have a paper plate so I don't ruin my house. So I guess I'm just gonna put like this glue, like kind of like on in like little tiny areas on the pumpkin. Well, I guess we'll see how this goes. So I guess I'm just gonna dump it right on there. Wow. Okay, so you definitely have to reuse your sparkles because I just wasted like half of this. Okay.
Will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You shake and shudder in surprise when you hear this zombie shriek. With your sorry skeletons, you still misunderstood.
So I just got done with the first pumpkin. Yes, I was gonna do individual dots, but it didn't look good, so I just went ahead and smeared it all in. Now it's kind of like an abstract pumpkin. It looks better close. Not, it looks kind of bad. It looks awful on camera. I put too much glue on there, and then they all started to like drip down. It looked really ugly. So one that I'm gonna be doing is gonna be half of this is gonna stay black up top, and then the bottom half is going to be, I think I'm gonna do blue like the other one because I do have a full plate of glitter that I haven't used. Well, on my table too, but you know, we don't talk about that. Oh my god, it's a bee, go away! So anyway, I'm just gonna be putting some glitter on here, and I'm gonna be putting some sparkles on. Yay!
Will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You shake and shudder in surprise when you hear this zombie shriek.
So, here's the product. It actually looks way better than the other one. I have these like letters that they're like gold, and then there's white ones. I think I might put something like, I don't know, dream or spooky or like something like that. It's gonna look super sister spooky. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna look through and see how many letters I have and what words that I can make. So yeah. So I got these adhesive stickers. Yeah, self-adhesive, I know. I tried to write the word boo with the letters, and I guess later I'm gonna have to like hot glue them and hold them until they freaking dry. So yeah, that's pumpkin number 2. Now this next one is gonna be much better, trust me. So this, there's so much glue in my hands right now. Washing them is gonna be actual like awfulness. Like I can't even like. Okay, anyway. Pumpkin number 3 is gonna be like some dope like. Honestly, guys, I don't know. I think instead of doing gold letters, I might actually do some silver ones. But we all know how that turned out on the other pumpkin, so I may not. I don't know.
Will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You shake and shudder in surprise
I just finished. I'm gonna give you guys a little rundown of pretty much every single pumpkin. So the first pumpkin that we did was supposed to be the polka dot one, and then it ended up dripping. So I did like this abstract one. Looks very pretty. I cannot wait to put this in my room. The next pumpkin ended up even better. I did have to go back in my house and hot glue the letters on because it wasn't staying on. But here's the finished product of this one. This one's my favorite. It is just so, I think it's like my best pumpkin work I've ever done. I love that one. That one took me the longest, but it was very worth it. It was so much, it was worth it. And last but definitely not the least one, I did like this, I didn't really so explain it, but I went for it. It is my Eek pumpkin. It's pretty much like a silvery, and of course a pop of gold. It is my second favorite over the big one, of course. It's very simple, but it's very pretty, and I love that. I made a huge mess. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my table here in a minute. It looks awful. This is my table. There's the pumpkins right there. But yeah, this is what happens when you're an artist at work. This is not good. I am gonna have to really clean this up. It is, what an aesthetic, just me going like that. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my, okay, that was like cinematic. So that is all I have for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel down below. I'm super excited that Spooktober is going as well as it has. I've been getting lots of support and even more like suggestions, which is something that has been growing over time. But I'm super glad with how everything's going, and I want to thank you guys for the never-ending support. I want to thank everybody for that. It's been really fun, just kind of doing what I want to do, but I love hearing from everybody about what they want to see and what they want and how they like it. Like, I love getting that stuff, so please continue that because I love that. But anyway, I will see you guys next week. Bye.